All right, just gotten this in the mail, and I think it is a solar-powered water pump. Let's see what's in here. All right, so we've got some type of, I think this is the actual pump itself. Comes with, yep, there it is. That is the pump, and solar-powered. Here's the hookup for the solar. Let's set that over. Let's see what we got here. We have various things that we can hook into the top of this. And I think this is our, whoops, this is our directions. They're a little mangled. And this is the solar. All right, and this is the back. This is your connector for the electricity. And it gives you the stats right there. You can read them. It tells you all about this. I flip it over. Here it is. There's your solar panel ready to go. Now all we got to do is hook it together, put it outside, and see if it works. All right, if you like this video, subscribe to my channel and check out my other awesome videos where I show you how to use this thing, which will probably be tomorrow. All right, peace out. Take a look at this. All right, so this is all of the connection stuff. Here's your water on and off. You know what I mean, Jelly Bean? It's got all these different connectors. Guess we put that there. Just go like that. Whoops, you need this. See that? Cha-ching. And I guess we just pop that and the water starts squirting right away. So I'm gonna have to read up on how this works. There's a couple different heads on it. You might have to stick this in a some kind of pot or something. It's a submersible pump, so you just put it right in whatever you want to put it into, and it'll just keep the water moving for you. So you could use this in a pond. You know, if you've got some type of pond and you want the water to circulate, this is the way you would do it. And we're going to try that. We'll figure it out and we'll make a little pond and do it.